Hi, I am Maribel Singian, presently a second officer on board international oil tanker ships, a master mariner license. I would like to greet everyone a happy International Day of Women in Maritime. I have applied to a number of companies before, but I was rejected just because of my gender. But it did not stop me. Rather, I take it as an inspiration to strive and to do better. And I am very grateful to the Norwegian Ship Owners Cadetship Program. They have opened doors for me from school to shipboard, allowing me to travel to more than 40 countries to give my family a comfortable life and to become an advocate of women empowerment. Let us sail towards a more inclusive and diverse maritime industry, creating an ocean of opportunities where everyone can thrive regardless of gender, breaking waves and barriers, not just for ourselves, but also paving the way for others to follow, fostering a brighter maritime industry. Happy International Day for Women in Maritime.